Thousands of people for UK don't come out. They celebrate summer solstice as heat for there don't reach 34 degrees Celsius. Iran say they don't hide their nuclear materials, make dem no fit destroy them. They even say no be for war dem dey do am. Na some of the tori wey you go hear for today. Na PidginToriGlobal be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter today gist. Na longest day of the year for UK and plenty people don come out dey celebrate summer solstice with different kind gathering. As the heat wave still dey bite, dem expect temperature to reach 34 degrees Celsius and weather people don drop yellow thunderstorm warning. Thousands of people gather for Stonehenge to mark the day. Police even close A303 road wey pass the ancient stone circle because too many motos park anyhow and people dey waka for road. Dem say this Stonehenge celebration na tradition wey link to how the sun shine for longest day of the year. US-based Defense Monitors Institute for the Study of War ISW and Critical Threats Project CTP don tok say one senior IRGC commander for Iran don confirm say dem don carry nuclear materials go hide for secure places to avoid make US or Israel destroy am. Dem believe say Iran dey use dis move take send message give Western countries say if dem wan destroy all the nuclear stuff, e no go easy at all. E go take time, energy and plenty stress. The monitors believe say Iran dey try pressure West to choose negotiation over fight, especially as Israel attacks still dey go on. Dem say Iran wan make West understand say to find and destroy everything go be like to dey look for pain inside desert. E better make dem come sit down talk. Iran don carry wahala reach UN headquarters as dem file complaints against Grossi, the oga wey dey lead International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA. Iran ambassador for UN Amir Said Iravani VEX say Grossi no gree talk true about Iran nuclear matter and e still keep quiet when Israel attack Iran nuclear sites. The head of Iran Atomic Energy Body, Mohammed Eslami, even talk say dem fit sue Grossi because e no do anything when Israel strike their facility, but Grossi still stand gidigba. He tell UN Security Council say Iran never give better explanation about their nuclear program and na that one make it hard to confirm if na only peaceful things dem dey use am for. Grossi still warn say Israel attack don affect safety and security for Iran nuclear plant seriously. Israeli military don talk say dem don shoot down one Iranian drone wey enter their airspace early today wey cause siren to blow for some parts of Golan Heights wey Israel dey occupy. Dem say the drone fall land for one area wey no get people and nobody wound, whereas one former Pentagon official, David Desroches, tell reporters say Iran no too dey target heavy military base or stronghold for Israel. Instead, dem dey aim small area wey no get serious defense. E tok say the kind missile Iran dey fire no be the one wey go disturb command center or airbase. Dis one fit mean say Iran no too sure of themselves to go after major military targets. Intelligence police for QOM province don announce say dem don arrest 22 people since June 12, accuse dem say dem dey linked to Israel spy service. Na news agency wey belong to Iran Revolutionary Guard Corps report am. Dem talk say the people still get hand for to dey disturb public opinion and for to dey support the criminal regime wey be Israel. But dem no gree drop full details of wetin exactly the accused people do or who dem be. Israel Foreign Minister Gideon Saar don tell German newspapers say dem believe say the recent attacks don delay Iran chance to get nuclear bomb by at least 2 to 3 years. Saar still talk say Israel no dey plan to stop the operation anytime soon. He talk say dem go do anything dem fit do to clear the threat. Iran, on the other hand, don always deny say dem dey work on nuclear weapon. Dem maintain say their nuclear program na for civilian purposes alone. Nada Habibi, wey be economics prof for Brandeis University, Massachusetts, don tok say the wahala between Iran and Israel never really shake global economy for now. Oil and capital markets still dey steady, but e warn say if the fight spread go Persian Gulf or Strait of Hormuz, wahala go dey because na there 20% of the world oil dey pass. Habibi still tok say Iran never attack any economic assets for the region and Israel sef never touch Iran crude oil export. But if dem push am further, e fit scatter oil supply and cause global market wahala. Plenty Americans don dey run comot from Iran through land since the fight between Israel and Iran begin hot. Na wetin internal report from US State Department show. Even though many escape without wahala, the report still tok say some people face delay and wahala for border, and one family report say 2 Americans even land for detention. US no get embassy for Iran, so to evacuate people from there no easy at all. Whereas for Israel, US don carry 79 embassy staff and their family members comot last Friday, according to another State Department memo. US intelligence chief Tulsi Gabbard don drop statement for X say people dey misquote her. She tok say yes, back in March she mention say Iran no dey build nuclear bomb, but she still believe say if Iran wan do am, dem fit produce am within few weeks. She tok say she and President Trump dey agree say Iran no suppose get nuclear weapon at all. Gabbard, wey dey dat Trump MAGA group wey no too like foreign war, don dey pushed aside from the current matter as Trump dey reason whether US go join Israel attack Iran direct. One man wey dem accuse say use motor chase US Congressman Max Miller comot for road for Ohio don turn himself to police. Rocky River police identify am as 36-year-old Faraz Hamdan. Miller tok say the man blow horn, block am for road, wave Palestinian flag and even shout say death to Israel and threa ten to kill am and im family. Police say after Miller report the matter, dem issue arrest warrant and Hamdan come surrender shortly after. Dem tok say Hamdan be doctor for Ohio and im face charges of aggravated menacing and ethnic intimidation. Court don set im bail at $500,000 and judge order am make e surrender im passport. Im next court date na 8 July. Dis matter dey hot as US don see increase in political violence recently. And the last one for today, Mahmoud Khalil, Palestinian activist wey graduate from Columbia University, don finally regain im freedom after 3 months for US immigration detention. Judge tok say Khalil no be flight risk and e no pose danger to im community, so dem release am and make am continue im immigration case outside cell. Khalil na strong voice for pro-Palestinian protests for Columbia last year. After dem arrest am for March 8, people protest for New York and Washington DC. As dem release am from detention for Louisiana, Khalil tok say he wan see im wife Noor and their baby boy wey im wife born wen e dey inside. He say government only give am 1 hour to see dem before, but now e fit hug dem without to dey watch clock. E blast Trump administration say dem try punish am just because e protest against Israel action for Gaza. Im tok say nobody suppose go prison for protest against genocide. White House spokesperson Abigail Jackson still accuse Khalil say e do fraud and im action dey against US foreign policy. She tok say the judge no get right to release am and dem go appeal the decision sharply. She add say government go still deport Khalil from US once the appeal go their way. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.